3 hoodies, unlimited wearability. What's up guys? I'm Phil here on the marketing team at Origin, and today we're gonna talk about our 3 hoodie options. We got the Kilo Light, then we're gonna go into the 100 Kilo, and we're gonna round it out with the heavy half zip. To start off, let's talk about the Kilo Light hoodie. This is your 7.5 ounce circular knit, ultra soft fleece hoodie. This is perfect for all day, every day, 365. You're gonna have multiples of these. You're gonna wear these to your workout. You're gonna wear these when you're running errands. You're gonna throw one in the back of your truck and just have it for when you need it. In fact, this is so soft, we have a lot of guys write in and say, hey, my wife stole this from me. I either need you to make some smalls or extra smalls for her, or I'm gonna have to buy another one. This hoodie is perfect for layering, and it's really meant for those mild chills. You can wear it all year, but when it starts to change just a little bit or the wind kicks in, throw this bad boy on. Now let's go over the mid-weight option with our 100 Kilo hoodie. This is built from 11 ounce ring spun fleece. It's a little bit warmer than the Kilo Light, a little bit more robust, but you don't have the bulk. It also has a little bit more engineered build into it. You have reinforcements here on the kangaroo pockets in the front, so you can go in and out of it 100,000 times without it wearing out. Another key call out in the build are the shoulder paneling here at the top of the hoodie, as well as the side gusset here. Those allow for reinforcements, but also just good mobility without compromising heat. To round out our hoodie lineup, we have the extremely overbuilt heavy half zip hoodie. This thing is chocked full of features. The first one being it's 12.5 ounces of fleece. Let's go over some features real quick. Reinforcements on the elbows with our Nylock platform fabric. Reinforcements on the shoulders. Reinforcements on the upper chest. A 3-piece hood. Zipper half zip for easy on and off access. Zippered kangaroo pocket to secure your belongings. Even the fit is a little bit more of an athletic fit so you can get to work in this thing. Built for extreme cold, built for extreme work. This hoodie is built like a Sherman tank. You can't break it. So whether you're looking for something lightweight, versatile, or simply built to survive, we've got you covered here at Origin. And just like all of our products, when you invest in Origin, you're investing in the American dream. You're investing in 100% American supply chain, built by freedom and built to last.